Hey guys, how's it going? Hoping that you are safe at home and continue to do more study for maths. Today we're going to talk about how to collect the like terms and we'll see how we do it. Firstly, we need to talk a little bit about the vocab. Um, the like terms means things that look the same, look the same. So, for example, when I say I have an x and I have 2x, or even, minus 3x. They are all the same because they have the x, you know. Well, the number in front means, 2 times x. Just like when you have a banana and you have another banana, so you have, two bananas. So you can do something with that. So if x, 2x, and minus 3x, they are like terms. Um, so this is yes and no. So there are things that might look the same, but they're not really like terms. I can give you an example. If you have an x, you have an x squared, and you have an x cube. But you can easily see that the first guy containing x, the second guy also have x, and the third guy also have x, but they don't look the same. In fact, x squared means x times x, and x cube mean x times x times x. So it is. Okay, so x squared and x cubed are not like terms. So it's a no. It's no good. Okay, now we can move on to the second part, which is collect the like terms. So if we do that, we can go ahead and choose on here. So the second part of this one is going to be collect the like terms. So if we go over this example here, got 3x plus 2x. This is the same as saying when you have 3 bananas, you plus another 2 bananas, you're going to have 5 bananas. So in this case, we have 3x plus 2x, it's going to be 5x. In your head, it's fairly simple. So you keep the tail, which is the x. See that? You keep x the same. And to get the answer, you just literally just do this. 3 plus 2 equals 5. See, this is how we relate numbers to algebra. So 3x plus 2x is obviously 5x because 3 plus 2 is 5. And the x is just, stick to the number. In fact, 3x means 3 times x. Um, this is the translation to English if you're curious what it means. Meaning of this will be 3 times x. So this is literally the meaning of 3x. People can do this one 3 times x. But it's long, so they prefer writing 3x for short. In some books, you will see they write 3.x, and that's still true. So the dot here means times as well. But to distinguish between the decimal place and times, we just put it as 3x. Okay, so we can move on to hard examples. For hard example, we can do this. for harder example, we can try the one with the negative. So let's say 9b minus b. Okay, here we go. So whenever you have something like b or x, it means b means 1b. Just like when you say a banana means one banana. So here we go. So this is the idea, right? So b means 1b. So in fact, if you have 9b minus b, it's going to be 9b minus 1b, which is 8b. You see that? Again, we do the same thing here. We keep the b for ourselves and we just do um, 9 minus 1. Here you go, which is 8. Okay, so we're moving on to another example with p. Not harder ones, p squared plus 4p plus 3p squared plus p. So in this case, you can see that, you only group the thing that look the same. So firstly, I'm going to group the p squared and the 3p squared. So this is I put in one group. And another group I'm going to put is plus 4p. Remember the sign belongs to the number behind it. So this plus here belongs to 4. And similarly, this plus here belongs to 3. And this plus here belongs to p. So there you go. So I group already. So the next step we're going to do is going to put them together. So p squared. We're going to rearrange. We're going to put things that look the same together. And then plus, remember this plus here belongs to 4p. We just put that plus 4p plus p. Here you go. All right, now you do them in groups. So p squared plus 3p squared and 4p plus p. So the first group is 4p squared. You can tell that p squared is a tail, so it's going to produce p squared down here. And 1 plus 3 is 4, so it's good. Next one is plus 4p plus p is going to give me 5p. Well, if there's nothing between, in fact, it's going to be a plus anyways, right? So this is our final answer, 4p squared plus 5p. Very good.